So I'm back from the test drive and I have found some small things. So first thing was that the rear brake cable was like sliding on the chain. So yeah, zip tie, but it's not sliding anymore, it's good. And the next thing is that the stand, I think it is rubbing a little bit on the wheel based on this, you know. Yeah, and that's it probably. I mean I need to tune the engine, the carburetor, but that is nothing that is like too big of a deal. And yeah, that's about it. So I'm gonna do these things, and then we're gonna fast forward to tomorrow, and we're gonna go for a ride again. So I will take you with me then. And the stand is fixed too. Can put my fingers in here, so that should be okay. It was like scraping like very minimally on it, but now it won't be at all. Like look, I still have place, you know, space. Okay, so we are outside, and I have this long road that basically no cars almost are driving here. So I'm going to try and tune the carburetor a little bit, but it doesn't seem to be too far off, so it shouldn't take very long. Okay, so I don't know how well this is going to work, but yeah. So here she is. She's looking pretty good. And so this is one of the first tries with this camera, and yeah, so this might not be very good. But yeah, it will be all right, I hope. I got like two cables. I got like one cable for the camera for the charging, and one for these headphones for microphone. So I don't know if you will hear anything when riding, but I know that you hear something now. So yeah, this is for now how I started. And I always start her on the second try, you know, never the first. That is like just a rule for some reason. Okay, it's 8 p.m. right now, and it's still warm enough for just a hoodie, you know. That's crazy. Oh yeah, and this stopped working yesterday. That it's finally kind of warm right now, you know. like today was so pretty. It was like 28 degrees in front of my garage on the thermometer. So I was like, wow, like that was a lot. And yeah, the tune is not really perfect. Right now I'm at full throttle and she's good, like, but the middle in the throttle is like she's choking, you know, like it's too rich. But for some reason I don't have a better needle for that. And the idle jet is also a bit too rich. But yeah, the tuning is not really finished yet. But other than that, I have the PA80 chain finally, and it's beautiful. And it's even like wider, you know, wider than the chain I had before. And it looks massive, you know, like so big. The top speed is, according to the GPS, the top speed is 70 kilometers an hour. But so I don't feel like more power from the channels that I was doing in the meter. But I definitely feel more torque, you know. Like when I'm going slow and in a first gear, and I go over a bump, and like she just holds the front up, you know, like she wheelies a little, and that is like a super good feeling, you know. They're just awesome. Like you know, you just know that you have a bit more power, you know. And the only thing that is kind of sad about it is that I mostly forgot how she was, how fast she was when it was stock, you know. So I can't really compare the two. But I still think that she's like really good right now. Like in the city, and sometimes in the city I am overtaking cars, you know. Like when she was stock, the top speed was about 45, you know. Now it's 70. She was taking a picture of me. I know I'm beautiful, right? In here, so I don't know if that counts, but I overtook a bus. and there was a friend yesterday here with me, and he was like on a big bike, you know. He has like an adventure bike, you know, 500 cc's of engine, and I blew it so fast through some corners that he wasn't keeping up, you know. Like she even handles like very good, you know. Like I can feel the difference from the last season, you know, because these tires that are on here, I rode on them only once last season. And we did the bushings in the swing arm, you know, and the front fork, and and things, you know. I think that's it. It's hard to remember everything, you know. There's so much things going on, and I can't really remember everything all the time. Oh yeah, these arrows are fun.